Hi everyone, so today we are making juice. First we put the strawberry, you can see it's in, and then we keep it on the side, and then we open the cap, and then we just pour a little bit of milk. Okay. Then we get some sugar. We pour some in. बस कॉफी इतनी नहीं डालते. Okay. Now we just put the cap back. Okay, so we just okay, now the milkshake is made. Very easy and simple. Bye guys. Before we end, we'll just put it inside. Okay. Okay, so you can see it in. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. That's enough. That much. Okay, so yeah. Bye. Get the plate and sit. Bye guys. Bye.